Yeah, I'll serenade you. Good luck with the tour.
Hi, love. Oh. Poor baby. What the heck him up? Poor baby love. Poor baby love. You come sit with mama? You come sit with mama? Huh? Ow.
What does this have to do with Willie? I'm getting to that. Let the story unfold. Hey, look here. I'll tell a story like I never mind to come up. I'm just setting you up for a big twist.
You're so cute.
Jeff told me that, hey, Willie's down his